Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and car. Update Android Auto, connect via USB or Bluetooth, and unlock the device so prompts appear. Once connected, open Android Auto on your phone or head unit. Make sure the app can access photos and storage so wallpapers are selectable. This initial step prevents errors later because denied permissions are the most common blocker. Now, tap the menu or settings icon to begin changing the wallpaper. Don't skip granting access, or selection will fail. You now navigate into display or wallpaper settings. This is where choice is live. Select either a built-in theme for consistency or tap to pick a custom image from photos. Custom images let you personalize the car interface. When you pick an image, crop it to the 16:9 preview so important content isn't clipped, and then tap Confirm or Set Wallpaper. Doing this ensures the background scales correctly on the head unit, which avoids distorted or stretched images. Once done, verify the change appears on the phone preview and the car display. If both match, you're finished. If the wallpaper does not apply, restart Android Auto and reconnect the phone, because a soft reset clears temporary glitches. Also make sure storage and photos permissions remain enabled. Without them, images can't be read. As a final tip, use a medium resolution image if the head unit rejects very large files. Smaller images often apply more reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.